A very good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome back to the online classes of class 3rd. I hope you all are happy at your home and doing your studies well, and many are sending the homework. Very good. And children, listen carefully. We start memorizing the chapters which we have already completed. जो chapters हमने already complete कर दिया है, उन chapters का question answers, word meanings, exercise, English second में भी exercise आपको memorize करने start करना है. If you have any doubt in any particular topics, you may ask in the query group. Ma'am will be helping you to find out the solution for that. Is that clear? And do your homework regularly and watch the online classes regularly. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about chapter 3 of English literature, Say It Again, isn't it? And we have learned about a bird, Windover, and the Windover is telling his story. Windover एक hunting bird है, वो अपनी कहानी आपको बता रहे थे. So today we are going to discuss from the chapter 3 grammar and usage part. Okay, from page number 22 to 24 there are some of the grammar portions, and today we are going to discuss on that. First, let's talk about the connectors. Okay, in page number 22, first the part is connectors. Connectors, in a simple word, you can understand that joining words. These connectors joins two words or two sentences. So, connectors simply आप ऐसे समझ सकते हैं, वो joining words से दो sentence या दो words को join करने के लिए use करते हैं. That's what connectors. So here there are four connectors given: and, but, or, so. So which are the four connectors given here? And, but, or, so. Okay. So now let's see that where to use and what is or, and what is so, and where to use these connectors. First is and. And in Hindi we say that tatha. Okay. So and is tatha, and it adds an idea. Okay, used between where there is relation. Okay, so where there is relation between two sentences or two words, we use and is तथा, एक विचार को जोड़ते हैं. Okay, next, but means परंतु. So it shows us a change in what is being said. Simply we are using but in the sentences where we are showing opposite. ओके, जहां पर हम ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स या ऑपोजिट सेंटेंसेस यूज किया जा रहा है, एक साथ जोड़ा जा रहा है, वहां पर हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? बट. नेक्स्ट इज और. सो विच इज द नेक्स्ट कनेक्टर? और shows us that we choose one or the other. और means या, हिंदी में या. So or is to show choice between two or more things. Choose one or another, एक या दूसरे को चूज करना है. There you use or. The last one is so. So means इसलिए. So is using tells us the result of something. किसी चीज का परिणाम को बताना है. Somebody did something and this is what happened. So is using to show the result of something. Now based on these connectors there is an exercise in page number 23. Okay, I'll read it for you. Everyone look at your book. Make complete and meaningful sentences by joining the words and phrases with the correct words. So there are three columns given here in this exercise. There are three columns given here, and you have to match the first column with the third column using the connectors in between that. Okay, जो connectors बीच में दिया गया है उसे यूज करते हुए आपको फर्स्ट कॉलम को थर्ड कॉलम के साथ एक पूरा कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बनाना है. टू मेक द प्रॉपर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. सो द आंसर्स आर गिवन डायरेक्टली. आपको फर्स्ट का आंसर सामने ए में दिया गया है, द सेकंड आंसर बी में दिया गया है, थर्ड आंसर सी में. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट कनेक्टर. आपको जो सही कनेक्टर है उसको चूज करके मेक अ प्रॉपर सेंटेंस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन दैट I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't sleep well. मैं अच्छे से सो नहीं पाया. आंसर इज सो आई फील वेरी टायर्ड. रात को सो नहीं पाया इसलिए मैं बहुत टायर्ड फील करता हूँ. सेकंड इज डोंट वरी वी कैन फिनिश द प्रोजेक्ट टुनाइट. आप चिंता मत करें, इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम टुनाइट फिनिश कर सकते हैं. एंड विच कनेक्टर वी विल यूज दैट? और टुमारो मॉर्निंग, आज रात को या कल सुबह. थर्ड, yesterday I had to do my homework. कल मुझे अपना होमवर्क करना था. And help my sister with her sums. And my sister helped with sums. So it shows the relation between that two sentences. So we are using and. You can come at 9 o'clock. आप 9 o'clock भी आ सकते हैं. But please don't be late. लेकिन परंतु आप लेट नहीं करना. He played football in the hot sun. Okay, he played football in the hot sun, so he has headache. He played football in the hot sun. So which connector we will use? In the result we use so. So he has a headache. I thought she would be angry. मैंने सोचा वो गुस्से में होंगे. But she was so nice. लेकिन या परंतु she was so nice. वो बहुत अच्छे थे. So you may be understood all the exercise, and this exercise you have to write in your notebook or copy. आपका इंग्लिश फर्स्ट का नोटबुक है, उसके अंदर एक्सरसाइज ए डाल के इसे आपको नोटबुक में पूरे पूरे सेंटेंस को लिखना है. कम टू द नेक्स्ट ग्रामर पोर्शन दैट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट पोसेसिव प्रोनाउंस. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट पोसेसिव प्रोनाउंस. व्हाट इज पोसेसिव प्रोनाउन? इट शोस द ओनरशिप. ओके, ओनरशिप को दिखाते हैं. इट यूज टू शो दैट समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू समवन. कुछ चीज किसी का बिलोंग करता है, दैट वी यूज पोसेसिव प्रोनाउन. They answer the question whose. किसका है? If you are asking the question to a friend, then whose, you will be getting the possessive pronoun. So based on that, the exercise is given there. Complete the sentences with his, hers, ours, theirs, yours, mine. So these are the possessive pronouns, and using this you have to complete the exercise. So for my is the pronoun, then mine is the possessive pronoun. You, your, yours, ours, his, her, theirs. So this is the way you have to understand the possessive pronoun. My, mine, yours, ours, his, her, hers, theirs. So let's do this exercise. First one is, this is my book. This book is mine. My is the pronoun there, so the possessive pronoun is mine. Which is your house? So the pronoun is there is your. So which is your? Answer is which house is yours. Third is, this is not our dog. ये हमारा dog नहीं है. The answer is this dog is not. Our is used there, so here ours. Now this is his bag. ये उसका बैग है, so the answer is the red bag is also his. वो red bag ही उसी का है. Fifth one, that is her bicycle. The bicycle is hers. These are their dogs, and the answer is the cats are theirs also. So my, mine, your, ours, his, her, theirs. So I think all understood about the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows that something belongs to someone. किसी चीज किसी से belong करते हैं. That's what possessive pronoun. Now the third part of this grammar portion is talking about words in use. Okay, replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. So एक एक सेंटेंस में कलर में कुछ वर्ड्स दिया गया है, उसके बदले आपको वर्ड्स को इस ब्रैकेट में से चुनकर लिखना है. You have to select the appropriate word from the box and to replace the colored word. Okay, first one, a chick comes out of its shell with difficulty. So comes out with difficulty, we have learned one word in the word meaning. Word meaning हमने learn किया था. What is that? Struggles out. So we wrote that struggles out. Come to the second, suddenly I am not in a cage. अचानक से मैं केज के अंदर नहीं हूँ. So not in a cage means it's out of the cage. So what is the word we can use there? free, azad. Third, the creature makes a noise, I do not know. So we learned a word that strange. Fourth, the light makes me want to close my eyes. So for makes me want to close my eyes, we have learned a word in the word meaning that dazzles. Now the fifth one, I move my wings up and down. So moving the wings up and down, that also we have learned in the Say It Again chapter 3. Okay, what is the word we have learned that? Beat. Moving wings up and down is beat. Okay, so this is the exercise part in this chapter. If you have any doubt, you may ask in the query group. And along with that, today we are going to discuss about an essay from the English grammar, English second, and this essay you have to write in the English second copy. आपके इंग्लिश सेकंड का कॉपी नोटबुक है, उसके अंदर आपको इस essay को लिखना है. This will be coming for your exam and this is the part of English second, English grammar. Today we will be discussing that also. So your topic is a village scene. Okay, topic is village scene. Now let me read it and make you to understand this essay. Then you may be copying down from the PDF to your notebook and you have to memorize this essay also. So based on this topic you have to write an essay. Okay, village scene के ऊपर आपको एक essay लिखना है. First line is a village is a paradise of beauty, purity and peace. Village एक ऐसा जगह है जिसे स्वर्ग जैसे, paradise is स्वर्ग, of beauty, beauty means सुंदरता, purity, purity is पवित्रता and peace, शांति. Okay, so village is a paradise of beauty, purity and peace. Second line, moreover there are trees, a variety of crops, diversity of flowers and rivers, etc. Moreover, उससे ज़्यादा there are trees, there are so many trees, variety of crops, variety means different crops, crops is अनाज या खेती, diversity of flowers, diversity also used, we can say that different kinds of flowers are there, and rivers, etc. Now come to the next para. In the village, the atmosphere is very peaceful. So in the village, the atmosphere is very peaceful. बहुत शांत atmosphere है. There is no noise or sound. There is not much noise or sound in the village. The air is pure and fresh. The air in the village is pure and fresh because there is no much pollution. Okay. Birds are chirping in the trees. Whenever you are going to the village, you can hear the voice of the birds chirping in the trees. In the early morning, the farmers and laborers go to work in the field. And in the early morning, we can see a scene in the village that the farmers, जो किसान और laborers जो काम करने वाले खेती में खेती करने जाते हैं. The sight of the crops waving in the wind is pleasant experience. When you are going to the field, you can see some view of the crops. जो खेती जो बड़े है, जो अनाजे है, वो विंड में मूव करते हुए. That's a pleasant experience. Pleasant means देखने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. In the village, the water of the river looked clean and sparkling, and the river water in the village is clean and it's sparkling. Okay, it's shining. Next, indeed, the scene of a village is very pleasant. सचमुच में विलेज का सीन बहुत ही देखने के लिए मनभावना है and it is very pleasant. So this is your essay on a village scene. You have to write in your English second copy, English grammar. This essay comes under in your English grammar syllabus. So write in that, and if you have any doubt, you may ask in the query group. And children, learn this essay, memorize this essay, and memorize all the syllabus which we have already completed. Take care, children. Stay home, stay safe.